The opportunity to take students out on the Walton Smith is just a fantastic experience for them to see what marine science is about hands-on. Being out on a ship where you're over deep water and just surrounded by the ocean, they get to see the ocean in a whole new light. And then we're actually sampling things and collecting data, and they're seeing happen live all this data collection that they've been learning about in class. A unique thing about being here in Miami, we're able to go to this section that's called the Florida Straits, that provides this amazing natural classroom where on the surface we're sitting in the Gulf Stream, which is this major ocean feature, right? It carries this incredibly warm water across the Atlantic and impacts global climate. And we get to talk about that, but they actually get to sample that water and feel how warm it is. We had a rotation system set up where the students got to do some physical oceanography, where they were looking at current profilers and the meteorological station that's on the ship, also learning about navigation and talking with the captain and learning about all the different the GPS systems and radar. So we're sampling there for nutrients, for nitrogen and phosphorus, which are really critical components of life systems, and looking at dissolved oxygen, which the ocean is a major source of the oxygen we breathe, and they get to see that happening in the ocean, see where it's being generated. And then we also had a biological oceanography component where we were doing nekton tows. So there we send out these huge nets in the ocean, and we get to bring back on board and then had live on the ship microscopes where students were looking at incredibly unique fish larvae, all sorts of different zooplankton. If we were able to make this Walton Smith cruise experience a regular part of the educational experience for students in the marine science program, it would provide so many opportunities, so much deeper of a learning experience for students, and really sort of cements their enthusiasm for not only for the courses that they're in, but for carrying this forward.